mga sabi?
Administrative law, yun yung branch ng modern law under the executive department. Kung saan they exercise quasi-judicial and quasi-legislative power. So meaning they interfere with the conduct of the public to regulate and promote public welfare. Yun yung ginagawa ng admin law. So yung public administration, yun yung mismong execution ng mga services. Like kunyari may mga medical visit ka, bibigay ka ng ayuda, ganyan. Yung admin law naman, yun yung nagre-regulate. Yun yung gagawa ng mga...
So sa admin, siya yung kumbaga parang administrator.
Administrator, example. May iba't ibang klase kasi mga administrative body. Sa administrative body, that's a body that is not legislative or a court. So kumbaga, halimbawa, mga quasi admin agencies, NLRC, yung CRC,
o yung yung